I am futurist Amelia Kallman. Welcome to issue number 50 of The Big Reveal. To anyone who has been there since issue number 1, thank you so much. And to all you new subscribers, really appreciate it. And I hope you continue to find value in The Big Reveal. So I have tons of events coming up. And I have also put up a bunch of content, both in videos and articles over the last month or so. So please do check those out in the digital edition or on my website. So without further ado, let's get started. Wisear. Wisear's neural interface earbuds make it possible to interact with XR devices without using your voice, gesture, or controllers. Their patent-pending AI technology transforms facial, muscle, and eye movements into signals that activate responses. They're currently working with XR and audio manufacturers to test integration, and they aim to launch the world's first smart earphones powered by neural interface by 2024. Spotselfie. So aimed at Gen Z, Spotselfie is a real-world social metaverse platform that allows users to create and share and market their location-based AR experiences. They have recently launched a store giving developers the opportunity to monetize their creations. And today, university students can leverage the platform's advertising portal to earn money and open virtual Web3 stores that are pinned to specific campus locations. Treasure DAO. Treasure DAO is a decentralized Web3 gaming ecosystem developing an interoperable gaming platform. They aim to create a cross-game economy where an NFT could be bought and used in one game and then brought across into another game where it might have different utility. Xbox. Microsoft have announced the launch of their Xbox Sustainability Toolkit, a set of resources designed to help game developers make games that are more energy efficient and environmentally sustainable. The toolkit includes best practices for reducing energy consumption during development, guidance on renewable energy, and how to reduce waste. Microsoft has committed to becoming carbon negative by 2030 and believes that the gaming industry can achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050. Metadrob. Metadrob is a platform where retailers can create their own online virtual stores, choosing from over 100 templates and using their drag and drop interface. Bringing e-commerce into the metaverse, Metadrob requires no coding skills at all. Their features include virtual try-ons, Web3 integration, personalized product recommendations, gamifications, AI assistance, real-time analytics, and it is easy to make updates instantly. Huc Enzyme. Scientists have recently discovered a natural enzyme that can produce energy from hydrogen in the atmosphere, meaning that one day we could produce electricity from the air. Huc is a stable enzyme found in bacteria that acts as a hydrogen gas scavenger. And scientists estimate that it may be found in 60 to 80% of the Earth's soil, offering a potential untapped wealth of natural energy. AI coding. AI is coming for coding. Roblox wants to democratize gaming development to be inclusive of everyone through their new text-to-image AI tool, Roblox Code Assist. Also aiming to nullify the need to know how to code is OpenAI's Codex and GitHub's Copilot. As user-generated content will play an important role in the development and population of the metaverse, these tools would help anyone to type and speak their dreams into creation. Rise of sounds. To educate and entertain, XR Studio Yord have developed a musical outdoor AR treasure hunt for the memorial of composer Antonin Dvorak. Using geolocated audio and AR, visitors may choose from 3 levels of interaction to complete Dvorak's final composition in the way that he would have by walking around and being inspired by nature. The journey features the composer's music, strong visuals, gameplay, and historical information. Apple. It is looking more likely that Apple will indeed debut their highly anticipated AR VR device in June at their annual Worldwide Developers Conference. One interesting sign is their partnership with Goldman Sachs to enhance their fintech capabilities. In addition to a new savings program, they will also offer a buy now, pay later program. So consumers can pay up to $1,000 in installments over 6 weeks without extra charges. Other features of the new headset are said to include Apple Books in VR, immersive TV and film, 3D FaceTime renderings, as well as optimized versions of Safari and other core services, and fitness, sports, and gaming applications. So, thank you very much for your kind attention. And maybe I'll see you at one of the events coming up that I'm speaking at or hosting in the next several months. Feel free to get in touch. And if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. Thank you so much. Take care.